First step, adjust the level. Second step, install the steel column GZ1. Third step, install the steel column GZ2. Notice, just fix it a little, don't tighten it too much. Fourth step, install the lid. Notice, when install steel column GZ2 and lid, install the downpipe at the same time. Notice, just fix it a little, don't tighten it too much. Notice, use this way to tighten the connection of the bottom and steel column. Sixth step, install downpipe in the GZ1. Seventh step, the installation and fixation of MZ1. Eighth step, the installation and fixation of the outside wall. Install side wall board and accessories. Install side, wall board and accessories. Notice, install the accessories of the middle steel column and then install side C and E wall board. The installation of side CE wall board is same as side F wall board. Side B wall is same as side A wall board. Notice, using this way to connect the walls, fixed all the exterior panels. Ninth step, installation and fixation of the partition board. Tenth step, installation and fixation of the sliding glass door. Sliding door installation, schematic diagram. One, assemble and fix sliding door frame. Two, installation and fixation of the two fixed glass door 1, 2. Sliding door part installed in schematic diagram. Notice, put the finished sliding glass door on the container house. Notice, installation and fixation of the two sliding glass door 1, 2. Notice, after install side AD wall board, tighten the GZ2. Ninth step, installation and fixation of the partition board. The accessories for roof joint. Notice, collect the wires in corresponding position before this step. Installation of the corner accessories. Twelfth step, installation and fixation of the doors and windows. Notice, installation of the windows accessories. Notice, installation of the window. Notice, using tapping screws to fix the window and accessories on the wall. Notice, install accessories both inside and outside wall. Notice the way to install. Door is same as window. Fifth step, measure the structural dimensions and adjust the level. Fourteenth step, all connections are sealed with sealant. Notice, seal the connection of the inside corner. Notice, installation off the window. Notice, seal the connection of the wall, roof, steel corner column.